Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025. First trading day of June, baby. Half of the year about over, right? Or getting close. Hope you had a great trading day. Hope it was a good trading week for you. As we start, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find anything you like, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right. So, by the way, if you do like what you see here, there's plenty of places you can follow along, not just here on maybe YouTube, but there's a lot of other places we put these videos as well as a ton of other content. So check it out. All right, we're going to start off first with our economic reports for next week. So what do we got happening for next week? We've got Monday, 10 a.m., red report. That's a big one. 1 p.m., red report. That's a big one. Fed Chair Powell speaks. ISM manufacturing, which is PMI, personally manufacturing. Big reports. And then when the market is open, so pay attention. 10 o'clock on Tuesday, JOLTS, which is job openings. Big report. ADP, similar report, except it's 10:15. I don't care as much. 10 o'clock is ISM services. Here was manufacturing. This one is services purchasing manager index. Red, big report. 8:30 on Thursday. Unemployment, big report. Fed, big report. But unless you're trading futures, it doesn't matter. And everything on Friday is 8:30 a.m. as well. But they are all big reports, same report, but they're all big reports towards the Fed. All right, let's look at the market. Interesting pattern in the market this week. Let me back this out a little bit. Okay, so right here we're looking at last Friday. Monday was a holiday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We gap up, kind of inching away. We're hanging in this little sideways pattern there, that dreaded box of neutrality. Day number 4 of that pattern, which what it takes to have a dreaded box of neutrality. We're in that sideways-ish move. I do like that we stretch down to the pivot there, to the 118. I'm not a big fan that we pierced through in there because we kind of open up the door and say, go ahead, if you want to break through, it's all yours. And it very well might. I'm not saying we're not going to the downside here. But we're looking at that 59.68 is our next upside target, 6,000 above that. On the downside, 58.66. And then probably about that 57.64, the 21 will move a little bit closer. We'll have a confluence there between those two. Okay, so overall not too shabby. Bigger picture on the S&P has been great. I mean, you look at the weekly chart. We've had mostly bullish moves. You look at the monthly chart, and with the exception of the last 3 months, we've rocked it. Right? You know, taking this month out, of course, but we've rocked it in there. Right? Here's the 3 months. And it's just been a great move to the upside. Some bearish months, but overall, not bad. Not at all. If we look at VIX, which is fear. Let's not look at this on a weekly, though. Let's go back to daily. Here we go. Okay. So we're almost at the point that this 60-ish falls off the chart. And when it does, watch what happens to today's price and what it looks like. Let's see. Unscrunch. There we go. All right, just jumps up, gives us a nice view. We're still on the very low end at 18.85. We're down 33 cents right now, so volatility is going down. Not surprising. Market had a slight hint to the upside, although it is a little bit of a rounding top in there, right? Kind of rounding over there. But when we look at the VIX, we don't see that. We look at the VIX and we're seeing down, right? Just down. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, right? We're just seeing down overall. So I like the pattern, like it a lot. Remember, 18 is our low end of our green zone. If we can violate through there, life is good, baby. Life is good. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at our next trading update. Take care, folks. Bye.